Look what Daddy got. Oh. Oh. I got the bigger ones too. Oh. Oh. I've been putting off buying these for a very long time. I just didn't think I needed them, but these are superior to adjustable wrenches, if you ask me. Okay, that's cool enough. And adjust these. Oh. This is the first time using these. I gotta say, these really are worth the money. All right. There we go. That's good. It's just so good that you can do that. The old adjustable wrenches would really, they loosen and it just ends up making me pretty angry. All right. Boom. Okay. Looks good.